So this was an unexpected unboxing. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, then keep on watching. So I wasn't expecting on purchasing this item at all, but you know, with the price increase, everybody just panic buys. And I normally don't panic buy, but to be honest, this was a panic buy. I don't know what it was this time around that made me want to purchase this, but I went ahead and did it anyway. So it's super small unboxing I'll share with you. I did order this online, and it did come in about a couple days. So as you guys know, when you order from Louis Vuitton, you do get the box that says Louis Vuitton on the inside. And then you do get a shopping bag now, which I think is great. I think it's great to give the shopping bags because those who can't go to the store and get one when they order online now, which is awesome. You get your receipts, and then you get your cute little item. So I really like these new boxes now. I think they're super, super cute. But let's go ahead and open this guy up. So I did order an SLG. I absolutely didn't need this in my collection, but you know me. I just gotta go and buy sometimes. So I just went to go pick this one up. So what I actually ended up ordering was, any guesses? You guys will probably be shocked by this just because I've never mentioned getting this item ever. So drawer box, dust bag. You can probably tell by the size of the dust bag what it is. But I got the monogram card holder. So I do have the reverse monogram card holder and I do use it a couple of times. I wanted to get this one in specific just because I feel like the monogram one is a little bit more casual for daily use, whereas the reverse monogram is kind of more of like a dressier kind of card holder, in my opinion anyways. So I wanted to get this one just to replace my Mont Blanc one that I am using on a daily basis. I wanted to give that one a little bit of a rest because if you've seen my most used SLGs for 2021, I do mention that I did use that one quite a bit. So I have been converted to a card holder person. I never thought I would be a card holder person, but here I am. So I wanted to get this guy. So just going over some of the details of the card holder, it does come with 3 card slots and it is only 3 card slots. I personally don't recommend doubling up on any of the slots just because it will stretch out the canvas tremendously. So you do get 1 card slot here, 1 in the back, and then 1 in the middle. So I personally only carry 3 cards with me. That's why I think that this card holder really does work well in my lifestyle. But if you're the type of person who carries a lot more cards, I definitely recommend looking for a different one. I really wouldn't stuff these card slots just because it will be hard to get in and out and find your cards anyway. And the whole point of a card holder, in my opinion, is to be super quick, find the card that you want, and get on with what you need. That was just a quick overview of the card holder. So this one does come in 2 different options. Aside from the reverse monogram, you can actually get it with like a fuchsia interior, but I wanted to get just a classic one with the brown one. So this is absolutely gorgeous, I think. I will absolutely be using this one for my daily user and it will fit in all of my mini bags. It's a card holder, obviously. And then this one is actually made in France, which is great. And then you do get the 2 cards. So if you wanted to purchase this one, the product code is M61733. And then this one is the textile card, which says coated fabric, vachetta leather. So when I purchased this one, it did retail for 270 Canadian dollars. And now it is currently retailing for 325 Canadian dollars. So overnight, it went up significantly, $55, which I don't know, to be honest, for $325 for a small card holder like this, I'm not necessarily too sure if it's really going to be worth it. So I'm super happy that I was able to purchase this into my collection. I know with this recent price increase, a lot of items have skyrocketed tremendously. And to be honest, I don't necessarily think some of these items are justifiable. For example, the mini pochette is now 950 Canadian dollars. And after sales tax, it's about 1,070 Canadian dollars for a mini pochette, which is insane. I believe in Canada, it went up about 38%. So I can only imagine what the Christmas animation ones are going to be like in price point wise. So yeah, I'm just completely shocked. But as all price increases happen, everybody is just shocked initially and then they still buy. So to each their own. But yes, I just wanted to come on here and share with you my unexpected Louis Vuitton unboxing that I did get before the price increase. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this super quick Louis Vuitton unboxing video. Let me know down in the comment section below, did you panic buy anything like I did before the price increase? And if you're new, consider subscribing to my channel. We have a lot of fun here. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.